Hi, I'm Haydan.
Hi, I'm Kim. We're 6260 Haunted, California, and today we're going to do a mega unbagging of Disney's Wishables. So we have 3 different series. If you watched before, Hayden and I have been doing a challenge by the field to see who gets more correct. We are tied.
This will be the ultimate decider.
So this is 17 bags we're opening today. We've been collecting them for a while. We're gonna be doing the Enchanted Tiki Room collection, the Coco series, and the Incredibles. So, all right, let's get started. We also bought the starter wishable for each collection. This is Rosie. Go ahead.
Rosita.
She's pretty. All right, first bag we'll give to Hayden.
Wait, what am I looking for? There's a Tiki drummer.
Okay, oops. Sorry, we should show you in the back. These are the ones you could get. The little Tiki drummer.
I want to get the Tiki drummer.
The birds and Dole pineapple whip. You want the Tiki?
Oh, this one's easy.
Oh, I want the Dole. I want the Aloha float, as they call it here.
Okay, ready? I'm guessing this one is a Tiki drummer.
Okay.
If you keep guessing the same thing, you'll eventually get right?
No, not necessarily.
Tiki drummer.
All right, Hayden's won. All right, let's see if I have as good luck. I think I have one of the birds.
Which one though?
Right? That because they're basically the same shape. I feel a Jose.
You're wrong.
Tiki drummer.
Yes, more Tiki drummers.
Uh-oh.
Bum, 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 bum.
Okay. So 1-0. What do you think you have?
I feel like it's a Lohana float.
Aloha float? Okay.
Nope. I instead got Rosie.
You got Jose.
Was it? I'm gonna call him
All
Rosie
right.
now.
You're still 1-0. I can catch up.
No, she won't.
I think I have a Pierre. Let's go with Pierre. Dole pineapple Aloha float. Oh, I'm not doing so good.
I'm winning.
But look at that. How cute.
I like the Tiki drummer.
Okay, next bag. All right, who do you think you have?
Off my mind, I feel like another Tiki drummer.
Okay. 2-0.
Got a lot of Tiki drummers. I can make an army. Tiki drummer, Tiki drummer, Tiki drummer.
I think I have a Tiki drummer.
Would be wrong.
Yeah! Oh, I have a...
Oh, you got the rare
Oh,
one.
I got the... So sometimes they come with like a unknown, like an extra special one. And that's who this is. But I don't know. They don't tell you who it is.
Tiki drummer, Tiki drummer, Tiki drummer.
Okay, so you're 2-0?
Yes.
Oh boy. So we did not get one of the birds.
Oh no, we got a bird. Oh, we're missing a bird.
We're missing one of the birds. This is our collection for the Enchanted Tiki Room.
You're missing Pierre.
Oh, poor Pierre.
I trade Tiki drummer for Pierre.
For Pierre?
Yes. We'll trade one.
All right, so we're 2-0. I gotta catch up. This is not like me.
Good job.
I'll tell you though, the Wishables are getting harder and harder to tell nowadays. So next we're gonna go to the Incredibles. You wanna show us the extra one we could buy?
Jack cookie.
Oh, Jack. Love Jack.
He's holding a cookie.
Oh, he's got a Jack's Num Num?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, go first.
You're not gonna catch up. I'm just gonna say.
Ouch. Those.
This feels hard. Okay, this is hard.
Okay, so first, we should show you who you can get.
This is hard. They're all the same.
So the ones you can get is Mr. Incredible, Mrs. Incredible, Violet, and Dash.
No Frozone. Oh. Okay.
I'm gonna guess for this one Dash. Aw, dang it, I got Mr. Incredible.
Okay,
I mean, same hair color, right? Dash now.
he had a 50-50 shot with hair color here. Okay. Squarish head. I think I have a Dash. This feels kind of flat-headed.
No.
I have a yellow. Oh, no. Oh, I'm Mrs. Incredible. Whoops. All All right,
Hayden.
3-0.
I'm winning.
I'm not doing so hot here. These ones, they've made them more complicated.
It's called money.
Money.
They want money, don't they?
Yeah,
Make
but...
it harder.
Oh, okay. Now I get it. Go ahead.
Ooh, this one I'm going to say is violet.
Okay.
No, dang it. Or Miss Incredible.
All right. Are we still 2-0?
Yep. At least I'm winning.
Okay. Oh, this one's hard. Let's try.
I'll give you a hint. I think I'll go as violet.
You know what? That's who I was going to say. Oh,
Mr.
I
Incredible.
have Mr. Incredible. Ooh, we're not doing so hot here.
Since you're below,
Okay.
I'll give you the other bag.
Oh, this one was an odd one. So Hayden's going to give me the tiebreaker bag. See if I can't catch up. Oh, I forgot to... I didn't look. Okay, this feels small. I'll let you peek. Don't tell me.
Oh, no.
Okay, Mr. Incredible. Mr. Incredible. Okay, 2-1.
Yeah, there wasn't.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, Hayden has one. Sorry, not a tiebreaker.
And off this side.
Ooh, actually, I feel like this one is Dash.
Okay, I hope so. No, I want Violet. We don't have Violet.
Mr. Incredible.
Oh, we have a lot of Mr. Incredibles. He's so incredible. We got 4 of them.
We'll trade. I promise, we'll trade.
All right, so here, let's show our Incredibles.
Oh, almost dropped it. Dude.
Good grief.
Her hair is kind of a little wonky, though.
For Mrs. Incredible, it is wonky. It's kind of weird at the back of her head. All right.
If you pull it up.
So we have 4 Incredible. We only got 2 variations. Ooh, we did really bad on the Incredibles. All right.
Can't believe you.
I know, right? Next, we have
Coco.
Coco. Okay, so our chaser wishable is...
Pepita.
Okay, show... Very cute. All right, so go ahead. We're what? 3-1?
Oh, Mom.
2-1. 2-1.
I think this is Dante.
Okay. Hopefully we'll have a little bit better luck.
Oh, we got the rare Dante. I'm still right. We got the rare Dante. The one with the
But then I would have been right on the bird, too. Because I got the weird one.
Fine, give that score 2.
Oh, so we're 3-2. Okay.
No. 4-2.
3-2. I need a minute. I think I have the Dante.
Wrong.
We have a tie. 3-3.
No, 3-4.
Nope.
Nope.
3-3.
3-3. Tiebreaker.
No, 'cause I guessed-
Dante. My good little luck spirit dog. Not just Coco's lucky dog. Okay, you go next.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, okay, 4-3.
C. Oh.
Or
4-3.
4-3. Okay.
Oh.
Intense.
You looked.
Oh, well.
Nope, we'll switch bags. That's how we keep it fair. No, feel it first. Monkey.
Ooh. I feel like this is Miguel.
Miguel.
No.
No, you got Hector.
Oh, we forgot to say what ones are in the set.
Okay, so who do we have, Hayden? We forgot to do this.
We have Miguel, Hector, Ernesto de la Cruz, and Dante.
Ooh. Okay. Let's see who I think I have. Hayden knows who I have. Oh, okay.
The characters
Oh,
you're not gonna
I think
expect.
I have Miguel. Oh!
We got 2 rares.
We got 2 of the rares. Okay. Weird.
Okay, so since Mom is behind one,
I get the tiebreaker.
Mom gets to see if she can tie.
9.
Okay.
Here, I'm going to start my celebration dance, so.
I think we might have another Dante on our hands.
No.
We're tied!
Dun, dun, dun.
We got a lot of Dantes, but he's so cute. You can't go wrong. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe.
And follow along with our Ohana.
All right, so now it's time for us to say goodbye and
Find your magic.
Bye, everyone. It's raining.